Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 15. This is Section 1.6, Problem 15. I have to do 124 times 31. So start by multiplying the 1 in the rightmost position of the bottom row times the 124. So 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 1 is 1. So that takes care of the 1. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times 124. Now as I start doing that, I have to remember that my answers cannot go to the rightmost spot. I either have to move over one spot to the left or fill in the rightmost spot with a 0. Now I can start to multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. I put the 2 from the 12 in the position where I'm working, carry the 1 from the 12 to the top of the next column. Now I'll multiply 3 times 2 and then add the 1 that I carried. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more that I carried. 6 plus 1 more is 7. And then finally 3 times 1, which is just 3. Now I can add the 2 rows of numbers that I've multiplied, and I will add 4 plus 0 is 4. The next column, 2 plus 2, which is 4 again. The next column to the left, 1 plus 7 is 8. And then finally, nothing plus 3 is just 3. So the final answer would be 3,844.